So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to make an animated Discord server icon, PC and mobile, setup by setup. So, specific requirement for animated server icons. Discord server boost level 1 require a minimum of 2 boosts. File format must be GIF. Optimal dimensions are 512 into 512 pixels. File size should be under 10 MB. First method is creating and uploading on PC. Step 1 is create your animation. Open your preferred design tool like Canva, Photoshop or Capwing. Create a new canvas with dimension of 512 into 512 pixels. Add your server's logo, text or images to the canvas. Apply animation effect such as fade, zoom or rotate. Ensure the design is simple and visible considering the small size on Discord. Step 2 is export as GIF. Click on the download or export option. Choose GIF as the file's format. Save the file to the computer. Compress the file size if it exceeds 10 MB. Third step is upload a Discord. Open the Discord desktop app or the app web browser. Navigate to the server. Click on the server name located in the top right corner or left corner. Select server setting. Under overview, find the server icon section. Choose the GIF you just created. Click save changes at the bottom of the screen. Method second is creating and uploading on mobile. Step 1, create your animation. Open your app and create a square design 1:1 ratio. Apply a short motion on animation effect. Export and save the project to your camera roll as a GIF. Then step 2 is upload on Discord mobile. Open the Discord mobile app, tap on the server to access it, tap the 3 dots for more option, select the setting gear icon, navigate to overview, tap on your current server icon, choose your newly created GIF from your phone's gallery, tap save in the top right corner. Thanks for watching.